What's up, guys? I want to talk to you about PureRef. This was a program recommended to me by a friend, and it has been very effective in helping me arrange references. In the past, I used to just arrange references in a different layer on my canvas or use some reference tools within whatever program I'm using. I usually use Krita. Um, but I usually just, put things on another layer, like slightly transparent, just so I could see it. But this has some really cool features. First of all, you can drag around, strangely, not by using the spacebar, but by using the mouse wheel, the middle click. You hold that down and you can scroll around. There's only two features that I really use. I haven't really explored all the features yet, but there are two that I'm going to show you right now. The first one is called the overlay mode, where if I hit Control Y, on Apple, I suppose might be Command Y. Not really sure what it would be on Apple. Looks like these things kind of got moved around a little bit, but I'll move this guy here so then I can see him now, and I'll put this here. So this is the guy I'm drawing here, and his name is Blessed Pier Giorgio Frassati, an old Catholic guy from Italy, and I have a bunch of photos of him here, and it's pretty easy. I can just use my mouse or take my tablet pen and just easily drag them around here in overlay mode. But in order to do this also, you need these things to stay always on top. So I'm going to hit Control Y again. And so if I hit Control Shift A, that gives me always on top mode right there. So it will be always on top. So if I hit Control Y again, I'm going to hit Control Shift A again. I'll show you what happens. Control Shift A, it says always on top disabled. So now if I go to my drawing program, you can't see them anymore. And I want to be able to draw in here with them always on top. So I'm going to go back to PureRef here, Control Shift A, and always on top is now enabled. So I'll move these things back into place so they are useful for my drawing program here. So I'm going to show you how to get it. Really simple. You go to, let's see, their website here, PureRef. It's simply pureref.com. Ooh, I can hit Control Shift A to get these off of always on top mode so you guys can see the website. Very nice, pretty website. You just go to download here. So you choose your platform, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Select the amount. So this is actually a donation, not a purchase. So by default, they have $15, $7. If you want to contribute to this wonderful program, but it seems like it's open source. So you could hit custom amount and put 0 here if you want to get it for free. And they say, we totally get that you would want to try before you buy. If you like it, please come back and support us with future development. I might just do that. But yeah, you can put in a custom donation amount, and then you just either check out or you hit, you make it for free, and then you just hit download. So that's this wonderful program called PureRef. Support them even just by using it. They have not paid me to endorse this. I just think it's a really great program, and I hope you guys enjoy it. That's all. Bye bye.